Blue Shield RPW features a high-strength virgin kraft paper reinforced with tridirectional fiberglass, coated with a white UV-stable polymer. Metal packaging is a primary use, wrapping metal parts, building panels, coated metal, and other applications. RPW is a popular industrial packaging paper, commonly used for surface protection. Let's review Blue Shield RPW's performance metrics. RPW has a white polymer barrier coating. It's a 3-star moisture barrier resisting water, oil, grease, and other industrial fluids. The fiberglass reinforcing threads mitigates tears from propagating. This is helpful when wrapping sharp metal parts. RPW gets 3 stars for tear resistance. RPW is not typically reused. RPW is economically priced, representing a great value for applications requiring moderate levels of moisture protection and tear resistance.